Extracting meaningful insights from data is vital in today's data-driven world. But have you heard of Azure Machine Learning? Azure Machine Learning, or Azure ML, is a robust cloud-based service provided by Microsoft that empowers businesses and developers to create, deploy, and manage machine learning models seamlessly. At its core, Azure ML simplifies the complex process of building and training machine learning models by providing a user-friendly environment with robust tools and resources. Imagine a workspace where you can access rich tools and frameworks, enabling you to prepare data, train models, and deploy them at scale, all in one place. With Azure ML, you can pre-process and clean your data, transforming it into a format ready for analysis and model training. It also offers various data manipulation tools to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Regarding training models, Azure ML provides a collaborative environment for experimentation. You can test multiple algorithms, fine-tune parameters, and evaluate performance to find the best fit model for your needs. More exciting features, Azure ML supports traditional machine learning approaches as well as advanced techniques like deep learning. This, all in all, helps you tackle so many complex problems. Once you've developed a successful model, Azure ML allows seamless deployment to various platforms, whether in the cloud, on-premises, or at the edge. This flexibility ensures your model is readily available wherever it is needed most. Businesses across all industries leverage Azure ML to drive innovation, improve decision-making, automate processes, and improve customer experiences overall. Whether it's predicting consumer behavior, optimizing supply chains, diagnosing medical conditions, or improving cybersecurity, Azure ML empowers organizations to unlock the transformative potential of their data. Azure Machine Learning is a game changer in data analysis and predictive modeling, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and services that simplify the machine learning journey for businesses and developers. Explore the endless possibilities with Azure ML and revolutionize how you leverage data for your business.